So, welcome back to today's new lecture, the lecture number 12. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the how to duplicate uh, any, what can I say, content and use inspect elements. Okay. In this session, we are going to learn about how to duplicate any content and how to inspect the any kind of the element and the continuation process of the yesterday's topic. We are going to continue in today's topic. Okay. So, friends, as of now, have you seen this session? We have completed uh, successfully. Now we are going to learn about the creation of these websites, these structure now. So if we analyze this structure, we have seen that it is having three columns, right? This is one column, this is second column, this is the third column. Okay, and next inside the column, what we have a image, icon image, and then text. What can I say? The headline, and then the text, and the button. If you observe here, please try to understand here. This is a button here. Whenever I keep my cursor on the text, this one here button, the button overview background disappears and a color, orange color, colored button background is started appearing here. That means in the normal stage, in the classic stage, in the normal stage also, these learn more is having color, but that color, background color is white. Okay. Generally, button will be having a border of this much radius, right? So, in the normal stage, that color was, uh, disappeared because that is applied as a white color. That's why it is not appearing in the normal stage. But whereas when I keep my cursor on the button, automatically the background of the color of the button changes, and now it is going to be visible right now, right? So how to make these kind of session and how to do this, all of these things. Now we will discuss. Okay. See here now, in this similar way, uh, after creation of one column element, how we can duplicate the same thing. See here, one column we have created. After then, the same thing is repeated here, right? Same image, same type of text, and same type of paragraph, same type of button model is there. So the beauty of this elementor is one more element, beauty is if we create one column, we can automatically duplicate the same style of the one column, and we can just edit the page images, section images, and the text. So automatically the same style has been made. So one more thing, what you are going to be seeing here is every column is having some type of gap. Some gap has been left between the gaps, right? And the third more difference what you are going to observe here is in these three column section. See here, whenever I keep my cursor on this one, some shadow is appearing here. Because of that shadow, it is going to be seen seeing appearing as a this is in the active mode right now. Okay. When I move my cursor on the another part of the another second column, then same thing here also the shadow has been applied here. In the third column also same thing is applying here. So now we will try to understand and we will make this session as it is. For that one, what I do is first I will take this one, save image, okay, and then I select my drive one of the drive. Mm, any disk I have to select, and then I will select one what one folder I need to select, right? So better if we have selected this one on the desktop also we can keep it. Anyhow, I will select I will make a folder in this one folder and website images like that. I will create a folder and then I will select the folder to download my images. Okay. Icon data analytic asset. This one and this one also I will save image. Okay. And then I will save the this third one. This image also. Okay. Now what we will do? First we need to take a section. Okay, which is having the three columns, right? And then for that one, I come up here. Okay, I come up here and I will go to the session here. Okay, friends, it has been now opened right now. And then what we have to do is we have to take a session, which is having how many columns we have here? Three columns. One complete session, and that one we have a three columns, right? So we will take a complete one session, and then we will take a three columns. We will try to see it as having a three column. Okay, so this is one complete session. Under this one, we have three columns, right? Under this one, we have three columns. Or we can also take it as a see. I will move. I will make one set, one complete set, and then I will try to duplicate all of the others similar to this one. Okay. So for that one, what we have here, one image, one headline, one text, one button. So one one image, and then one image, or better, I will take here. Go back. I will select this one here, similar to this one. So it is appearing as a extra one, right? So the extra one I will remove this one. So to make this one, I can take a column also. First I will take a section, one section, and then I will take, I will keep in this one, I will keep what? Here I will keep, right click and delete this one. Okay. Now you have seen that here three columns we have. Okay, three columns. To close this one, you may see like this. We have not published this, that's why it is appearing like this. So in this one, what we have an image, and then we have a text, right? So go there, headline. Okay, where was the headline? To select the headline, first what we have to do, we have to take the headline here. Under this one, we have a headline, and after then we have a text. And what is the text here? Okay, so what is the headline here? Online reputation management. What is the? Okay, wait. Online reputation management. I have copied the address here and then I will paste the headline here. Okay, paste it here. Okay. Next one, what we have here, friend? Tell me. Next one is a text as it is. Copy this one and then give one more text here. How to add the text here? You have to go to this one and text editor. You have to give the text editor here. And then we need to select this one and we have to copy the same, paste over in the next one. And then we have a button. The text of the button is learn more, right? So I will take a button here. You have to give like this one and the text here, click here, learn more, right? Learn, learn more, learn more. Okay. Totally, completely this one is what capitalized. So we can make that one as a capitalized and make the text as capital. And if I want to give any link, I will give the link also. Okay. HTTPS hash digital Nizamuddin .in. Okay, this is my text over here, and then I will. Okay, next what we have a button here, and that is aligned at the center. And in the normal stage, the button is having a background of white color. So we will move. We'll do this one. Okay, the alignment is here at the center. One thing you have to remember, friends. So when we take the any button here, okay, so or any text, headline or anything, we will be having the under the content section only. We will be having the alignment in the center. Next, what is the color here? Here, green color. So we need to give the color as right to the white color. So for that one, we have to go to the style. Under styles, we will be having the color section. So under these one, see color. What is the color here? The color here is green. So make it as white. And text color. What is the text color? Okay, this is white, pure white. What is the text color here? The text color is orange, right? Red color, orange color. So we will give the text color as orange one. Okay, orange one. Good. Next one. Now the button is here, orange one. Okay, and in the hover stage, the button background we have to give, right? In the hover stage, we have to give to the background. In the hover stage, this is normal stage. In the normal stage, the color is white. In the hover stage, the color should be what? Same, orange color. So like this, we have given. And then I will update here. I will, I will, I will update here. Now let us see how does it will look. We will take a new tab here. Trends dot yes. Digitends, right? Digitends.nf. This is our website. And how the lookup is here. See, we will check up here. Okay. Have you seen? Now it is appearing here. So under the hover color, we have to give the radius, background radius also. We have to corner radius. We have to give, and we have to change the color to the white. Right? We have to change the color to the white. In the hover stage, the text color is white. Right? We have to apply that. So for that one, what I will do, see here in the normal stage, this one, in the normal stage, the text color is red. But in hover stage, the text color we have to give. In the normal stage, the text color is orange. In the normal stage, the text color is, this is the normal stage, right? Orange. So in the hover stage, the text color has to be changed with the white color. Then only that will appear. Okay. So I will update it here, and you may see here how does it will look. Just go and refresh the page. So when I keep this one now, have you seen the orange color has been changed to the white color, and now we have to give the corner radius. And for that one, go there and select the corner color border radius. We have to give border radius. So this is ticked. So untick this one and give the radius as something radius. So if you do not find the border type, you can select the solid. Then you may see the how much it is, how much radius is given, like that. So border type is solid here. Corner radius we have to give. Over animation, if we want, we can give the animation as well. Okay, and then border color over, and then we have to, if we want to give the border color, we can also give the border color as well. See how much now, only one corner has been given some radius. So first one, radius. So that's why border type, border radius we have to give. Only here 5 is given. So we have to give the border radius to all the corners. So for that one, we have to unselect this one. We have to select this one, and we have to give the border radius to all the sessions. All the sessions. How does it will look? We will take. We will see here. Let's refresh this one, and we will see. Have you seen here? The button corners are been now curved. We can give some more. We can increase some more border radius. Okay, now update 12. Border radius now I have given as 12. Okay. Let's now update this one once again. Then you will see. Okay. I hope you got the clarity right now. Okay. And now what we have to give, we have to change this image and all the colors, etc. Border colors we have to give, and the width, text, font, pixels, etc. Everything we have to now adjust. We need to adjust. So that one, come up here, and then you need to select here. What we have to show? Take this one image, this one image. Okay, tick this one image. We need to select. To select the image, go to the choose the image file, and then media. Go to the media library or upload the files. For that, from there, we have to select the file, which is I have kept in the PC. Under this PC, I have website images. I have kept here, and then I will select this one. Okay. Now that image has been added. Okay. If you want, we can give the this one, online reputation management. How does it look? Online reputation in one color, black color, and management is the second line. So online reputation. So that means it is very big. So image resolution. Now this text one, we have to select this one first. So what is the text tagline here? Go to the alignment. Uh, See, have you seen H2, H3? Yes, online reputation management. How does it is looking at this centrally aligned? So I will select this center one. And what is the color, friends? In order to give the colors, remember style. Colors are available in the style. So what is the text color here? It has to be given as black color. Okay, it will be good. And then we have to give the this is what uh, capital letter. Okay, that one is over. Next one, this text has to be given in the centrally, and this one also centrally aligned. So for that one, we need to come up here and this text we need to select, and we have to make this text this centrally aligned. So friends, you whenever you coming here, you are not finding the text alignment option here. Okay, so we need to text for that one. We have to go to the alignment and we have to select the center. For this headline and the button, we have the text alignment in the content area only. But for the image text editor session, we have the alignment. We can find the alignment in the text editor style. Under the style, we can give the alignment here. Okay. Now, now it is easy to us. Now we can also give some here border radius. Once again, we can give some more border radius. Okay. Okay. Now it is looking good, pretty good. Or we can see up here how more radius. Some more radius we need to give. So we can select 18. Okay, now good, looking good. And what is the learn more? Here, learn more text. We can make this learn more text in the as the text. Go to the content and learn more. To the learn more, we can select the headline. This one border text. We can make it as a capitalized as well. Okay, size small, medium, large, extra large, uh, small, medium, large, like this. Medium, this one, or we can also take the extra small, extra large, like that. Okay, medium, we can select the medium. Icon, none. We can, if we have an icon here, we can select the icon as well. So we can upload the icon from here also. If you have a library of icons in library, we can select the icon from the library as well. See here how many icons are there here. We can select any of the icons from this one. Okay. Next one, come up here and then update this one. Now update this one. One thing, color text learn more. Under the learn more, we can also have the any kind of the text type. What is the type here? Info, success, warning, danger, like that button. This text, when I talk about the text here, I can go to the text link here, type here. We can give the type, and then we can also give the link icon link here, bottom ID. Uh, Actually, we have a capitalized one. Capitalized text also we can give. There is an option. I will tell you where we can give the text shadow. This one we will add the text shadow later. Okay, as of now we will do. We have completed this one, and in order to inspect what is the text font, and then what is the size, width, or the uh, thickness of the font, etc. We can do this one by taking the text editor, or we can also use the inspect element. We can go to the inspect element and we can see here. See now, as of now, okay, now it is appearing here. So the text is learn more, and here if you observe here, there is a gap. Much gap is present here. You come up here, if you see here some small, okay, little bit gap, or uh, you can go to the inspect. One dashboard will open. Okay, one dashboard will be opened. So in order to inspect any element, you have to go up here. Okay, go to this arrow mark. You just go there, and now wherever you keep that arrow, then it will start showing up your complete data. Okay, okay. What is the image size? 220 into 242. Margin is 25 pixel. Okay, roll image like that. So how much is the color, the font, margin, padding, etc. Everything wherever you keep. that one it will start appearing. Okay, wherever you keep that images, all those things will start. We can be seen up there. Okay, see for example, I have selected this one now. I close this one. I close this one, and I can inspect any page from here. Go to inspect. I will select this one, and then so what is the text? What is the okay? This is what centrally as a it is appearing as the mobile view. So if I select the dashboard view, we can select everything. Okay. So go to the inspect element, and what is the see what is the text? What is the font? Font is what? A Roboto font, right? This font is having the Roboto 14 pixel, and all other things has been mentioned up here. What about this button? Okay, what is the button? So color code has been given like that. We can inspect any item regarding the any item. Okay, what is the headline? What is the this is all about the button. So like this, friends, we can inspect the element, and we can add the uh, anything whatever we want in our session. So now, as of now, see one section has been added, right? I will make it as a duplicate. So how to do this one? You just right click, duplicate this one. So that will be duplicated, right? And one more thing, you have to just keep up here in the right okay. And now one more duplicate, one more time duplicate. Now you can you just drop this one here. It will be come up here, and you just click and drag it here. So automatically that complete, okay, only image has been here. So complete session, in order to make the complete session to be copied to the is to be copied, we have to duplicate this complete one. Okay, I will show you. So for example, I select this one, and I will duplicate, I will delete this one, and similarly I will select and I will delete this one. Now I will select this complete session, and I will make it duplicate. Have you seen? Total things have been duplicated. Once again, I have duplicated. So this is now unnecessary. Extra thing is there. I am deleting this one. Okay. So you have seen that these things has been completely in the similar way. Now they have been copied here. Now coming to the page, what is our section here? Image. This one goal setting image, calculator image, conversion rate optimization. So we will make two images right now. This one and this one. We will replace the images. Choose the image. It will ask us. So what is the image? Upload the image. Go to upload the image. Select the files. Then you have to select the image. Okay. Now automatically that will be selected. And similarly, select this image. Go to the image session, choose the image, and upload the images. Go to the upload session, and then select the image, and then you have to select this image. Okay, so without any confusion, we have added the images. Now we have to change these headlines. So online reputation management, for that one, conversion rate optimization. Copy this one and go to this session. Okay, now change the text. Okay, conversion rate optimization. The third one is what? This one. This text is turn your visitors like this. Copy this text and come up here and select this session, and you know completely change this text to the just copy text. And similarly, learn more button is there here also. You will be having the same button, same button. No need to change that one. And now coming to here, online reputation management. Here you have to select the text, copy this one, and come up here. Okay, paste over it. Okay, sorry. Online, same thing, I hope. Online reputation management, online rate, conversion rate management, optimization, online reputation. Two times it has been mentioned. Okay, anyhow, no problem. So similarly, it has there. Okay, no need to change. So same thing is there. Same thing is there. Now it has been completely done. Now what we have to do? We have to give the in the third step. We have to give the see here. There is some gap here. There is some gap left over between these two sessions, right? This is one column, this is another column, and this is the third column. Between these columns, we have some gap. So for this column, we have a margin of, some margin which is aligned to the right. Here also for this column, we have to give some margin to the left. To this one, we have to give some margin to the right, and to this margin column, we have to give to the margin to the left. Okay, this is the place. Now, how we have to give this margin? We will understand. Margin, friends, column to column, the gap that is called as the margin refers to the outside of the thing. Okay, margin refers to the outside gap, the gap between the session to session, or the column to column. That is called as the margin. What is the difference between padding and margin? Padding refers to the items which are there inside. We have to, if we are going to change the gap between these things, we have to apply the padding. Margin refers to the section to section, complete section to section gap. If you want to remove or add, we can give that by giving the padding section. Sorry, margin. By changing the margin, we can change the gap between the columns. Okay. Now we will give the column. Okay. So for that one, we have to select this complete session. Okay, and then we have to go to advanced then, and then we have to select the margin. Okay, so for this one I have to give the margin to the right. So this one unselect, only we have to give to the right one. Okay, now the margin has been given as 6. Okay, have you seen some gap has been done here? Okay, this gap has been given, and for this session I will give the margin, I will give the margin to the left, right? This is top, this is bottom, this is right, this is left. So left alignment I have to give 6. Okay. Now similarly to the right side also I have to give the margin to the right also. To the right also I have to give the margin to the middle of the column 6. And then I will select this one, and I will give the margin to this column to the left. So go to advanced there and give the margin as to the left. So only this one, unselect this one, because if you change the things, all things will be changed if you are giving the margin without unselecting. So unselect that one, and what you are going to give to change, you have to select that one only, and then you have to give. Now you may see that the margins has been added between the columns. So how does it will look? Let us see now. Now come up there, and now update this page. Update this page. Okay. You have seen that some gap has been added to this page right now. Okay. Column gap has been added to this one right. Okay. Next, what we have to do? Now we have to give the padding images, shadows we have to give. So because this is looking as completely plain, no shadow is there, no border is there. Here we will have a border. We have a border. We have a corners have been, edges has been also the answer given. And whenever in this normal stage, some color is different. In the hover stage, some light, some shadow is there. Okay. So how to do that one? We have to go to this column session. Okay. For the complete column, we have to give to the go to the motion effects, or the you have to go to the uh, layout. Under this layout you will be having uh, style, this style. Okay. So this one, border, overlay, shape divider. What are the shape divider? We will discuss in the next one. So now coming up here, we have to give the border first one. Border background overlay. This is about the border background. Okay. This is the background. Only background. So here background is somewhat different. Why? See here. See this is looking as pure white and this is off white. So for the complete page, is in off page, off mode. I mean off white, and these columns are in the white, pure white. So for this one, we have to give the off page color to the complete background image. For that one, first we need to go to the settings, okay, and then we have to give the uh, color, okay. We have to give the background color. First, we need to give the background color. So under this one, background type. Okay. So what is the background type? Color. So we have to give the background color here. How? Go there and inspect, or we can also see here color picker is there, right? Select the color picker and paste over it here. Okay. Right click. Okay. This one has been copied right now. Okay. Copy this one. If you select here color picker, if you keep the color picker here, see here. See FE here. Here FFFF, right? Like that. So colors are different here, right? So background color we need to select. First we need to give the background here. I will paste the color here. Okay. I will paste the color here. Off white. Off white. And then the complete page is under the off white. Complete page. This one is the complete page off white. Okay. The complete page, to the complete page we have given the color as FFFF. Now over. Now we have to give the border color to this one. For this one we have to background overlay. Border. What is the color? See, go to the background. Under this one background type classic. Under this classic we have to give the border color here. What is the background color here? FE. So see here, copied that is copied there, and then you come up here and change that color with the desired color. What you? Oh, no, this is FFFF. We do not want this one. We want this. We want, yeah, and then you have to give this color. Yeah. Now it will be applied. Color here. What is the color here? Under the pure white only. FE. Yes, exact color now it has been done. Okay. Similarly to this session also, we have to give the same color. So go to the background. Under the styles, you will be having the color session. Okay. This is about the border. This is of the background. Under the background, you will be having the background color. have to change the color FE. Okay. Okay. Actually, color this one we have to select. Okay. Not a classic. So this one change that color to the desired color FE. Okay. That is also done. No, this one black, not black, not pasted. Okay. Apply. Okay. FE applied. Go to this one border. Select the border. So under the border, you will be having the color option, background. Hash. You need to give the hash. This is the hash. Enter. We have to give the enter. Or we can give the hash. If by default it is not taken. Sometime it is taking here. Has to be changed, right? So change this color to this one. Okay, now change it. So hash is selected, then that is taking time. Okay, hash should must be there. Okay, now updated. Now we have to give the border. Border. What is the border? So first you have to select this one. Complete session. This is the complete session. To this one we are going to give the border. So what type of border we are going to give? Border radius we have to take. So the border radius should be applied to the all these sessions or the corners, right? So up to 9, 10. How does it will look? How does it will look? We can see here. Up to if I apply 10, how does it will look? Go and refresh. Okay, it is not appearing there. Appearing, but not appeared. Not appeared. I hope not appeared there. If you see these like this, some difference is there between these two. Some difference. Here gap is only 6. Better if we give some more gap. And here border radius is not applied here. Go there and give the border radius and update. Border type also we can select. If I select this solid type, then I will see the border width. Border width also we can say how much width we need to give. Border it will show up here. Border radius In the hover session, we will add the box shadow. Okay. For that one, see here, for example, if I add some shadow there, see this is the shadow, initial shadow. Some shadow is there, right? Some shadow is already there. So that's why we need to add the shadow first. So we need to add the shadow first. So position, spread, how much spread is, okay? How much it has to be spread. We need to give. How to make that one blur, normal blur, okay? Increasing the blur, okay? In the hover stage as well as in the normal stage, we have to give the border. So, okay, and then border radius, how much the radius should be. See, if you observe here, the corners are been getting curved. Border radius, when I select the border radius here, okay, have you seen here? Okay, only to the right here, only to the right if I select, only right is selecting. So 10, presently 10 is there. So first, this is selected there, then you have to change the border radius. Have you seen now how the border corners are changing? Top, left, right, bottom, everything. Okay, all corners are borders are now changing right now. 25, 26. How much? Like this, it is appearing now. Okay, so 25 is good. So these corner border we have to give to the all the sessions. So I will update this one, and then I will select all these one. And one more thing, how much shadow I have given here? The same shadow there I have to give the to the border. Okay, box shadow. Under the box shadow, horizontal blur. Shadow is blur is 18. Shadow spread is -3. Okay, we have to remember that one. So come up here. Border, border radius. Border radius is unselect this one. So select this one. 25, and then box shadow coming to the sorry, only 25. 25 enough. Next, this is 18, 18, and this is -3, -3. Okay. Similarly, now update here, and similarly to this one also, we have to give the border radius. Okay. Border radius as go to the border, come up there, border radius we have to give 25, and then box shadow is under the box shadow blur is 18, and then spread is -3, -1, -2, -3. Now update. Okay. Now I have updated this one. Yes, I will now I will apply the I will refresh my page, and have you seen my complete sessions are now looking like as a shadows are coming up here. Okay. Now we have to apply the some see here some margin we have to give up here. Okay, some margin, some padding also we should have to give, or better to give the margin. Okay, this is outside part, right? So this session is different, this session is different. We have to give to the margin, increase the margin here. And then what the thing is, we do not have any hover effects here. We have to give some hover effects as well right now. So how to do that one? We will do now. Coming up here, we have to select this one hover. This is under the normal type, right? Under the hover, if I select the border radius as 30, is it enough? If I select the border, oh, okay, border radius is 25 only. Okay. Under the hover box shadow, we need to increase, right? Box shadow. Blur is here, we need to give some more blur. 2018, and in the previous case, we can give the blur, you know, shadow. We have to improve the blur. 30, 30, 30. First, we will give the 35. Okay. And spread, how much? Something, it has to be spread, right? Under this one, if I select 10, what happens? I will see. Go and refresh the page. Okay, to this session it has been applied. See here, how much shadow is now appearing here. Blur is not this shadow blur, somewhat looking more. Okay, how much here? In this case, what is the blur capacity here? Close up here. Only little bit only, right? Just a little bit is applied there. Okay. In the normal stage is also only something little bit is there. Okay. How much shadow under the shadow hover stage? How much is looking? We have kept under the normal stage. So a little bit only difference we have to give comparing to the normal stage and hover stage. So box shadow, what I will do is, in the previous case I have given the 18, so I will give the 22. And here minus 3 I have taken. Here I will take minus 5. Minus 5. I will update and we'll check how it is affecting. Not but not any great change. Not any. There is no any great change. Okay, we need to give some more padding. We need to give some more padding. Sorry, I mean changes we have to box shadow under the box shadow. Blur spread we have to increase. Minus 3 out of minus 3. Oh, okay, in the previous we hadn't given the shadow. Okay, minus 15. Minus 15. 16, okay. We'll see. Okay, it is decreasing now. Instead of selecting, it is reverse. In the reverse mode, it is applied. So in the positive way, we have to give. In the positive way, we have to give the shadow, etc. Everything. Shadow is also very less. So we have to make that one. Now come up here. Here we will give the border radius. Okay, that is no. We did not have border shadow, box shadow. Go to the box shadow, and then we have to select the blurred. Blur we have to increase. Actually, we have to increase the blur to the 35. Okay, to the 35. Okay, 40 anyhow. And then spread. Spread in the positive way, not in the negative way. We have to increase. My block. Go to my block. Then refresh the page. Okay, in the positive way now it is applied. It is looking more. Somewhat we can select, unselect. Okay, somewhat the shadow we can decrease, blur and shadow. Somewhat we can decrease. Blur is 1825. We can keep the 25 or 30. 30 enough. Okay, 30. Yes, 30. And spread is 5. We can select the 5. Only 5, not more than the 5. Update. Update here. Have you seen? Okay. This is in the excellent stage now. Okay. The same thing we have to apply these same things to these two sections as well. Okay. So go this one. Box shadow is how much now? 30. Blur is 30. Spread is 5. Applied to all sections this one. border 30, spread is how much? 10, I hope 10. 30, 10, right? 30, 10. Or 5, 5 only, I hope. Spread is 5 only, I hope 5. Or if you have a doubt, you can select this one. If you have a doubt, we can select this one. We have to give this same thing to the all. Oh my God. See friends, sorry. 18, 18, 3, 18 minus 3. We have given in the normal stage. Now we have to change to the over stage, right? Mark shadow, 18 minus 3. Mark shadow, under the hover session we have to change, right? This one, 18, 18 minus 3. We should not have to change that one. Minus 3. Okay. And then here also, first we will select the normal stage and then we will give the border hover. Okay, it is good. It is updated. Now go to the hover. Now under the hover session 35. Okay. Which one selected? This one. Now second one. Go there. Border under the box shadow 30 and here 5. 5. Okay. And here also go to the hover under this one border, select the box shadow, then you have to give the 30 and 5. 30 and 5, positive 5. Now all these three sections have been added. I hope you got the clarity. You come up to your page there and you can publish, you can make the changes, you can see the changes. Some changes you are seeing that comparing to this one, in the normal stage some shadow is there, right? Here in the hover, whatever you have, the same thing you are applying in the normal stage only. So in the hover, in the normal stage, you have to be change the 18 minus 3. 18 minus 3. Okay. So hover is applied to this one only. These two are not functioning. Like that, friends, we have to see the changes and we have to apply the hovers and everything, etc. So what was happened there? Have to check this one. First, initially we have to check this one. Border shadow, under the border shadow, under the normal only 30 given, right? So here, see, in this normal stage, 18 only, 18. And here, minus 5, minus 3 or minus 3. First you have to update it. Okay. And to this one also, under the normal stage, border, go to the box shadow. Here 30 is selected. That is 18 only. 18. And here minus 3. 3 means minus 3. Okay. Now go up here. Go to your blog. Updated that one. Now you go there. See. Now all these things are looking up correct. So for this one, now hover is there. These two hover is not applied. So now under the hover, under the border, now hover session. So which one? This one I will select. This session to this session. I have to select this one. Go to the border back hover session. Go to the border and then go to the box shadow. And then you have to select this one as 30. And then this is what? 5. Okay. This session is now completed. Similarly, you have to select this session. Okay, middle one. Under the hover session, go to the border. Okay, go to the box shadow. Here, normal is coming here. Border, go to the border. Under the hover session, go to the box shadow. Okay. Now you have to select the blur. Is how much? This is about the border, friend. Actually, we are changing the background. Background only. Background, hover. Under the hover, you have to the border overlay. Background overlay. Background. Background, hover. Wait. This one. Go to this one. Go to this style. Background. Box shadow. Under the hover, 30. And here, 5. Update this one. And then come up here. Under the hover, background. Box shadow 35. Under the hover stage. Under the hover stage, this should be added to the hover stage. 30. So like that, some without any confusion, we have to give. It is active. It is active. Some things are not applied properly. So here it is in a correct way. It is in the reverse way. It is in the reverse way. So go there. Under the normal stage, what is there? Under the normal, 30 is there. 18 only. Under the normal, 18 and minus 3. Sometimes it will disturb like that. So don't get confused. And now under the hover stage, it is 30. 30 and this is what? 5. Okay. Now it is applied. Okay. Is it? The third one also we have to change. Uh, Under this one, go to the background, border, border under the normal stage to the first session. What is the box shadow? 30 is there. To change that one with the 18 and minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3 means in the negative way. Okay, updated. Okay, I hope you got the clarity. Under the over stage, box shadow is how much? 35, right? Updated. Now everything is clear. Now you can go there and refresh this page, and then you can see here. Okay, is it? So when you go on doing, friends, everything will be gets clear. Okay. Now how to add other session in the we will discuss in the next class.